How's it going, everyone? My name is Joe Cox, and thank you for tuning in to Joe C. Cox Photo. As always, we do have a new plant for the video. Second, this is an unscripted video. And third, this video will cover my own personal experiences and workflows, so there will be some things included, some things excluded. Now, today's video, we are talking something very important, and that is the difference between copyright and licensing right. Two things you definitely need to include in your contracts and whenever you are working with another party for your photography or videography. So it doesn't matter if you're doing portrait photography, real estate photography, product photography, or automotive, really anything that you are working with another party or another party is involved, you do want to make sure these are outlined. Hey you, yes you, quick interruption to your video. Did you know that I also make merch for this channel? I've got things like coffee cups for you. I've got you covered with wall art. I've even got you covered with hoodies and other apparel. I mean, just check out all of this good stuff. So not only are your purchases going to supporting this channel and helping others become more educated on photo and video, but a portion of those proceeds also get donated to the Simplify in America's Fund. So not only are you helping out this channel right here, but you're also supporting the men and women who served in our armed forces. That is kick-ass of you. Way to go, you. But check out the link in the description down below. Go find something you absolutely adore, and let's continue to all support each other out here. It's tough out here. It really is. But I love you. You're each beautiful people, and you know that. But otherwise, let's get you back to your video now. So, talking about copyright. Copyright is going to be who owns the legal right to the work. So this is very important to outline, and a couple of tips there. First, a big one that I would always include in your contract is stating that it is not a work made for hire. If that's not there, or if you say this is a work made for hire, that means whoever you are working for or doing that business for will own your copyright. By saying this is not a work made for hire, you will retain the original rights to your photos or videos, and this is very important. Additionally, I do like to go ahead and outline in my contracts specifically that I, as the photographer or videographer, will retain the copyright to the work. Now, the licensing rights are a little bit different. Licensing rights are quite literally, you are allowing a license for that person to use your copyrighted work. There's a few different types of licensing. There's like sole licensing, exclusive licensing, stuff like that. But whenever you're dealing with licensing rights, it is very important to outline the terms. So the two big ones are going to be how that person can use the work, whether it be only restricted to social media, or they can use it for print and social media. They can use it on their website. You want to make sure to define the usage. The next big one with licensing rights is going to be defining the term length. So it can be, hey, you can only use these photos for 6 months, or it could be, hey, you can use these photos indefinitely. Remember, if you're working with another business and they're going to use that content for basically business-related purposes, it is all right to have licensing rights. They are going to have an ROI or a return on investment by using your work, so you should be adequately compensated for allowing them to continue to use their work. Always put in how they can use it and how long they can use it. But that is going to cover today's video. Pretty simple stuff. That is kind of the big things that I would definitely say about copyright versus licensing rights. So as always, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. I am releasing a lot of good information, and you don't want to miss this. And it's so many years in the making, so this is just like a speed through of everything I know. But I will catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.